This brief video will help you to determine what trouble condition is currently causing your trouble light to be illuminated on your Interactive Security Keypad. First, press star 2 on your keypad. If the number 8 appears on your keypad, you will need to reset the internal clock. You may visit the time and date programming video on our website for instructions on how to set the time and date on your interactive security alarm system. If the number 4 appears, you will need to contact our office and place your system in the test mode and allow it to communicate with our monitoring station. If the number 3 appears on your keypad, that indicates that the system does not see an active telephone line. If after pressing star 2 and the number 1 appears, press the number 1 again. If the number 1 appears again, this indicates that your battery is low and will most likely need to be replaced. If after pressing the number 1 and the number 8 appears, that indicates that there is no AC power to your alarm system and you will need to call our office for service. For other trouble conditions, you can either refer to your user manual or call our office for service. We hope this video has been helpful. For other informative videos, feel free to browse our website, and as always, thank you for choosing Interactive Security.